Kamusta mga balibulista? Tinalo ng PLDT high-speed hitters ang NX-led Chameleons 25-15, 25-17, 22-25, 25-22. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Angelica Alcantara sa likod ng kanyang 3 points at may kasamang 13 excellent sets. Nag-ambag naman ng 2 points si Micah Reyes, Erica Santos 15 points, Davison Savannah 19 points, Mary Joy Baron 14 points, Del Palomata 10 points, Fiola Messi Balyos 13 points, JC De Leon 4 points. Para naman sa natalong NX-led Chameleons, Laika Ebon 15 points, Makaslang 7 points, May Lona 4 points, Fermintilla 21 points, Jolia Atienza 4 points, Losel Almonte 9 points, Esguera 1 point. Pinataob naman ng Chiritigo crossovers ang Capital One Solar Spikers 2025, 25-23, 22-25, 25-18, 15-11. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Ara Galang sa likod ng kanang 23 points mula sa 18 attacks, 4 blocks at 1 ace. Nag-ambag naman ng 12 points si Robles, Maranyo 9 points, Bicar 2 points, Mereros Dapol 8 points, Rodriguez 4 points, Gaston 8 points, Adorador 11 points. Para naman sa nabigong Capital One Solar Spikers, Niegos 5 points, Jorel Singh 8 points, Iris Tolinada 7 points, Orindain 14 points, Ginoo 12 points, Ipak 9 points, Laila Cruz 20 points. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like at subscribe. Heto ang team standings as of November 12, 2024. PLDT high-speed hitters 1 win 0 loss 3 points. Akari Chargers 1 win 0 loss 3 points. Petrogas Angels 1 win 0 loss 3 points. Cherry Tigo Crossovers 1 win 0 loss 2 points. Capital One Solar Spikers 0 win 1 loss 1 point. Chocomocho Flying Titans 0 win 1 loss 0 point. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Galleries Tower High Risers 0 win 1 loss 0 point. NX-led Chameleons 0 win 1 loss 0 point. Heto ang mga laro ngayong November 14, 2024 na gaganapin sa PhilOL Ecoel Arena. Magtutos ang Chocomocho Flying Titans at Galleries Tower High Risers alas 4 ng hapon. Maglalaban naman ang Akari Chargers at Zeus Thunderbells alas 6 ng gabi. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like at subscribe.